Hey everybody, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. Today I'm gonna be making a spicy chicken patty. I'm gonna use some ground chicken, some red pepper flakes, garlic powder, onion powder. We're gonna mix that all up to make a delicious patty. This patty is so good. I love it because it's so versatile. Today I'm gonna put it on top of a salad, but you can have this patty alongside any of one of your favorite vegetables. There's so many things you can do with it. But today, again, I'm gonna put it with a salad and I'm gonna add some other goodies, some other good stuff in there with it. So sit back and relax and watch this video. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscription button right down there. Go on, hit it right now. All right, guys, I'm using my favorite Italian style dressing for this salad, and I'm just going to pour it over just a little. There's so much flavor on this salad, you really don't need a lot of dressing. All right, everyone, I'm getting ready to taste my delicious salad here with my ground chicken, my spicy ground chicken. It smells good. Let's dig in. Smoky bacon, these juicy tomatoes. Make sure I get all of that in there. Some tomato. Complete satisfaction without all of the guilt. That's the kind of meal I like. The ground chicken is spicy and delicious. The bacon is smoky. And this Italian dressing, I'm gonna leave the link to this Italian dressing down in the description box. It's one of my favorites. You all, try this ground chicken. It is absolutely delicious. You guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for joining me this entire week. We've had a fun week of keto chicken dishes, and I hope that you guys have loved them just as much as I have. I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. Today is January 3rd, and it's my birthday, and my husband has something great planned for me today. So I'm getting ready to go spend the day with him. Thank you guys again so much. This has been a great New Year week, first week of the new year. And I pray to God that we have many, many more great weeks to come. So next week, we're going to have keto shrimp dishes. So everything next week is going to feature shrimp. So guys, just wait on that. I have some great recipes lined up and I know that you're gonna enjoy them. I will see you guys right back here on Monday. Have a blessed and prosperous weekend. Love you guys. Sincerely, Legenia.